and wide. Totaroo would run and glide. With a giggle and a grin, he'd let every day begin. Woke up early, stretched out tall, slipped on shoes and grabbed his ball. Packed some snacks and said, "Let's go to the woods where breezes blow. Good morning, trees. Good day, sky. Hello, birdies flying by." Totaroo would skip and sing, happy as the forest king. But then he heard a tiny squeak, soft and quiet, kind of weak. By the river, near the tree, Mousy Mina cried, "Help me! I lost my flute, it fell down there. It splashed into the water where?" Totaroo said, "Don't you fear, I'll find it, it must be near." Splash! He jumped into the stream, like a hero in a dream. Through the bubbles, what's that there? A shiny flute with love and care. He grabbed it quick, held it high. Mina squeaked a joyful cry. "You're the best!" She danced around. Toot, toot, toot. What a sound! She gave him a book with magic tales of talking stars and flying whales. Read it when you're on the way to help more friends each happy day. Off he went with cheer and bounce, one big step with every pounce. Totaroo, so brave and true, will always come to rescue you.